Welcome to Cleaning Procedure Setup training video. You will notice that in this section there is two buttons. One is for setting up a cleaning asset, and the other is for a cleaning procedure. Click on the cleaning assets first. You will notice there is some data entered already. This section is the most time-consuming, so go through the list to see what items you can make inactive and what items you need to add for an asset. To edit an active item, simply click on the Edit button. Turn to Non-Active and click Save Changes and return to the list. You will notice the asset has been removed from the list. To add an asset, click on the Add Asset button. Click on the area the asset belongs, the name, for this example Microwave 4, and click Add Asset button. You will see the new asset of Microwave 4 within the list. If you are using paper to complete cleaning tasks, go through your current list of every asset and add into FoodSafe Tools. Once you have completed your asset list, you will then be adding a cleaning procedure to each asset for how to clean the item and how often it is expected to be cleaned. Now click on Cleaning Procedure button and review the list. You will notice that the data on screen contains information of the asset, frequency, and cleaning method. Each asset has a familiar cleaning procedure, so to save time, instead of typing every cleaning procedure for each asset, simply click on the View button, review the cleaning procedure, and if you like what is typed, click the Edit button, highlight the cleaning procedure, copy the information, and then click on the Add New Cleaning Procedure button. Click on the area where the asset belongs, then click on the drop-down list to find the new asset of Microwave 4, then paste the cleaning procedure into Cleaning Method. Choose the frequency you want the asset to be cleaned and who is responsible for cleaning the asset. Then click on the Add Procedure button and you will find the new asset within the list. If you have an asset in the cleaning procedure that is not required, simply click on the Edit button, scroll down to the Inactive button, and click Save Changes. This section is where most of the data is contained within FoodSafe Tools, so remember, add the asset first and the Add a Cleaning Procedure for each asset.